Hi, my name is Gemma and I work at a data visualization company called The Outlier. Today I'm going to be talking about OpenRefine and showing you how to use it to open up big data sets that Excel or Google Sheets just can't handle. This is the first video in our OpenRefine series, and in it I'm going to show you how to download the tool and merge different data sets together and open them up as one. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type OpenRefine into Google. Here it is, let's click on it. Now I have a Mac, so I would just click this big blue button that says download OpenRefine 3.8.5 for Mac. But if you have a different kind of system, then there are other options below. Just choose the correct one for you. Now the download has started, I'm just going to wait for it to finish. Now that it's done downloading, I'm going to click on my download in my downloads folder. And now this page comes up. Let's click on the OpenRefine icon and pull it into applications. Now it's copying over. And there we go. Now OpenRefine is on our system. If we search for it, it will appear. And when OpenRefine starts up, it will appear as a new Google tab. So now to get started with how we're going to use OpenRefine, we need to actually start in an Excel sheet or a Google Sheets. In this case, I'm using Google Sheets, and I have lots of different files that I want to combine together. The one important thing to remember when combining different files together in OpenRefine is that your column headings have to be exactly the same and in the exact same order. Otherwise, OpenRefine won't know how to combine your spreadsheets properly. In this case, I have subject performance reports for every school in the country from each province in South Africa, but my files are divided up by province. So that means I have 9 different files that I need to open up as one. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to download our files as CSVs. So I'm going to go to File, Download, CSV, and now I'm going to do this for each of my other files. So altogether, I'm going to have 9 files, 1 for each province. Now that I've downloaded all of my files, I need to zip them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them, right click and say compress. And now I have this file that's called archive zip. I'm just going to rename it. And now that is the file I'm going to upload to OpenRefine. Now let's go back to our OpenRefine tab. Now click choose file and select the file you want to bring into OpenRefine. And then click the next button. Something important to take note of is this section at the bottom. OpenRefine will tell you what it recognized your file as. In this case, we uploaded a CSV and OpenRefine recognized it as a CSV. But if OpenRefine recognized it as a CSV when you uploaded, for example, an Excel file, then you can change that over here. By custom, you can put in the specific file format. And then the second important thing in this section is if you upload a spreadsheet where your column headings do not start in the first row, you need to tell OpenRefine to ignore the first row. But in this case, our column headings do start in the first row, so we're going to leave everything as is. Now we can select Create Project. So at first, OpenRefine only shows you about 10 rows, but you can change this. Let's select 1000 rows. If we scroll down far enough, we'll be able to see that the merging of our files did work, and we can see that under the file column and under the province column, because we'll have more than one type of file and more than one type of province. We've already got the Eastern Cape and the Free State here. And if we go to the next page, you do that in the top right-hand corner. We'll be able to see lots of other provinces like Gauteng as well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.